stopping by our channel. I can't wait to share with you what we did last weekend. We had so much fun eating dandelions. Oh yeah. Turns out dandelions are super healthy for you. We didn't know that until we looked out our back window in the courtyard of the townhouses where we live was full of dandelions. So my son and I got curious and we started to do some research on dandelions. They are full of vitamins, vitamin K and vitamin A, fiber. My son and the neighbor kids picked dandelions like crazy, and I helped them make dandelion honey and dandelion cookies. We're going to show you how we made our dandelion honey.
On a two-lane road headed out of town, I got behind a pickup truck. A newlywed couple kissing on each other, holding all the traffic up.
After we picked bowls and buckets full of dandelions, we soaked them in water overnight. That made it a lot easier to pull the yellow and white petals off.
When the double lines broke, I shifted gears, leaned hard on the gas, and to my surprise, there she was, smiling in her wedding dress. That should have been me with her in that truck, driving her crazy instead of...
We put our lemon, our water, and our dandelion petals in a large pot and stirred it until it came to a boil. Let it boil for a couple of minutes and then remove it from the heat so that it can steep for a few hours. We let our mixture steep overnight.
I had any sense at all, I'd give her that ring. That should have been me with that little gold band, making a scene and a dragging them cans. Where he is where I should be, but that just ain't me.
The next day, I used a bowl, a strainer, and cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the solids. Keep the liquid and toss your solids in the compost. It smells so good.
Moved it on down the road. Then the blue lights flashed in my rear view. I stopped around the bend. I set officer, just ride me up, 'cause there they come, and here I go again.
Now you'll want to put this dandelion tea in a small, heavy pot. Measure out 3 cups of sugar.
I'd give her that ring. That should have been me with the rice in my hair.
Once the tea is boiling, begin to slowly add the sugar while you stir. After all the sugar is in and dissolved, continue to boil for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, lower the heat to very low and let this simmer for the rest of the day, or about 5 to 6 hours uncovered. I left mine to cool and thicken overnight and put it into jars the next morning. It's not a very thick honey. It can be used as a syrup too. It tasted great on waffles.
Instead of passing her up, 'cause where he is where I should be, but that just ain't me. That just ain't me. Oh, that just ain't me. That just ain't me. No, just ain't me.
Now, I'm going to show you how we made the cookies. For the cookies, you'll need 1/2 cup avocado oil, 1/2 cup dandelion honey, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup unbleached flour, 1 cup dry oatmeal, 1 cup dandelion petals, and the almonds and chocolate chips are optional, but we used about 1/2 cup of each. We added our cup of unbleached flour first, then the avocado oil, then the vanilla, the eggs now, and then a cup of dry oatmeal. Now we measured out 1/2 cup of the dandelion honey that we had made the day before. We mixed everything up really good and then added our dandelion petals.
Put your flip-flops on. mood has gone. Well, I got my watch wound up for a wild weekend.
After we added the petals, we decided to throw in slivered almonds and some dark chocolate chips.
And you cut off jeans and find some country music on the radio.
I dropped spoons full of batter on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. We put them in our preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 12 minutes.
Hot dog, it's a wild weekend. Well, now it's been a long week and the work's all done. Don't you feel like a Saturday night? When the sun goes down, we'll get all fired up somewhere out in the country neath the full moonlight.
Isn't that cool? We had so much fun. Please make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys!